Hey, hope everybody's doing well. Today is June 2nd, 2023. I got myself an FTM300. Only because the 200 kept losing receive. I had to send it back. You haven't seen those videos, see that video. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing here and get it installed. We're sitting in my Jeep here. Got a pile of napkins in the door. So anyways, just about 95 degrees out here. Seems like 95% humidity. Sitting underneath a shade tree in a parking lot. Trying to get this done. There's no shade in my damn dooryard. So anyways, let me get the box open up and let's see what we got. This one has built-in Bluetooth, and I believe it also comes with the built-in frequency voice synthesizer. So anyways, let's get it opened up. Did I want to spend this much money on the 300? Hell no. But the 200 was giving me problems, and they were going to send me another one. I'm thinking, okay, I'm going to get another one from the same batch, same retailer, have the same problem. So I bit the bullet, paid the difference, and got the 300. So got the fancy-dancy manual. These manuals are more like a quick start guide. You got to download the other 2 or 3. Advanced manual, APRS manual, group mode manual. Get all those other things. Again, we got the SSM85 mic. Not a bad mic. Got our hardware. Mounting bracket, I'm going to need that. Had to send the old mounting bracket back. This time I'm probably going to use a mic hanger. I PLA printed a mic hanger. Let me show you that. I 3D printed this mic hanger on my 3D Ender 3 version 2 Neo something. And anyways, in the sun, the mic, the little button part back, melted its way down in, and it melted around it. I had to fight to get it out of there. So apparently PLA line, the heat of a vehicle, does not work. It's not temperature resistance. One of its caveats. So again, I probably will use that mic hanger wherever it went. There it is. And let's see where the radio is. Oh, there we go. Same thing as the FTM300. Can't see any difference between the body. No, I think all the differences are in the control head. There we go. Same exact radio body as the FTM300. Same exact mobile bracket. The control head. Anyways, let me get this bracket installed onto my lower dash panel, get the radio installed there, then we'll move on to the head. Okay, so you can see I got the radio body hooked up. Let's get back to the box and see what's left. There we go, I got the microphone. Let me pull the microphone out of the bag, plug that in, and we'll be right back. Okay, I got the chrome microphone hanger installed. I'm going to paint that black. I don't know how distracting that'll be. Well, I guess it covers up pretty good, but I might still paint it black so I don't get any reflection off it while I'm driving into my eyes, just because I get migraines from reflections. Okay, here's the separation cable. I tuck it up under that cubby where the power wire comes out through, but got to get some electrical tape up the excess and tape it to the power cable like I had it before. So, and then we'll mount the head up here where I have the bracket laying and all that stuff, getting ready for the install. Got the USB programming cable, put that off to the side. Here's the head unit. Not much bigger than FTM300's. Screen is still dinky, 2-inch. Let me get that out of the wrapper. Yep. Still a small screen, but anyways. Let me take the little small separation cable they give you when you're mounted to the radio body off there, and got to get this up on the mount, and I got to mount the mount to the dash, and we'll be right back. Man, I just got a scare looking for the nut that holds the head unit to the bracket. In the FTM300, it's included in the long extension cable, I thought it was, to the radio. But in the 300, it's here in this little bag with the mounting bracket. Oh my god, what a scare. I'm like, I can run to the hardware store, buy a small little screw bolt. But there she is. Wow, what a scare. Okay, we got installed on the dash. The radio body's there. The power cable's hooked up. The antenna's hooked up. And on this one, the power switch is on the right-hand side over here where the FT200 is over here. So let's see. Aha, we got magic. Let me enter my call sign. Alpha. Oops. Guess I gotta use this one, the top one. One. Let me get back to the letters. That's finicky, that's quick. One. Papa. Radio push and hold long. Here we go. Let me shut the light off on this. Maybe the light's washing the camera out. Shows my call sign. I don't know if you can see that. I got 146.52. It says we got 12.8 volts. We're in FM with line over it, which means it's in AMS mode, I think. Is this frequency in use? CQ, 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 CQ. Alpha Alpha 1 Papa Radio, AA1PR testing new radio on 5.2 simplex. Over. I doubt anybody's going to be out here in the Rutland area. There hardly ever is. I think 2 years ago I got Whiskey Mike 2 Mike that actually answered me. So if anybody knows Whiskey Mike 2 Mike, tell them I said hello. Anyways, let me go home. Well, actually, I'm going to put the memory card into it, format it, then bring it in, and then I'm going to import my radio file from the 200 and the 300, and then we'll come back out. Okay, so if I give this a long press, display memory, oh, I guess I got to use the top one again. Oh, there we go, SD card all the way down to the second row in the middle there. See it highlighted in red? Back up, we're going to format. Yep, format that memory card. Formatting. Not sure how long this takes. Pause the camera until it's done. Well, that's not good. I just got an error. Oops. SD card format. Okay. Error. Why am I getting an error? That's not a good sign. Error. Son of a beach. Okay, not sure what happened there, but I formatted that sucker 3 times. Kept getting error, error. Then the last time I got completed. Let's go home. I'm going to import my FTM300DR file into the 300, and we'll come back and report what happens from there. Sorry for the brightness washing out, but it is extremely bright. I'm parked under a shade tree. Okay, I just started up the car and it's showing that it's 14.2 volts. 14.1 a little while ago when I turned it on before I grabbed the camera. Yeah, there we go. 13.8, 13.9. It's fluctuating, so. Anyways, there we go. We got an SD card into it. Looks like the GPS symbol over here is turned on. And anyways, like I said there, gonna go import my file into it, set it all up, and we'll be back. Hopefully get APRS working as well.